오늘 배울 내용입니다. 가다, 오다, 살다, 갔다, 왔다, 샀다, 하고, 살 거예요? 는데, 인데.
Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle J. 저는 코리안 엉클 J입니다. Today we will learn basic verbs such as go, come, live, and buy in Korean. We will also study the past and future tenses of these. You will also learn how to use but and so. There's a lot of content today, and it can be very difficult, so please watch it carefully. Let's get started.
어디에 가요?
쇼핑몰에 가요.
Where are you going?
어디에 가요?
어디에 가요? 어디, where? Supporting marker. 가요, go. Do you remember it? Use the after nouns to express the location of something. I'm going to shopping mall.
쇼핑몰에 가요.
쇼핑몰에 가요. In Korea, complex shopping spaces are called shopping malls, shopping mall, or department stores. 백화점. You can also omit the appellation, 호칭, and if the other person already knows you, the subject 저는 can be omitted. So, let's look at the important ones. You can use a verb after noun plus a. 가다, go, basic form. 가요, application form. 오다, come, basic form. It changed to 와요 by removing 다 and adding the ending marker 아요. 살다, live, basic form. It changed to 살아요 by removing 다 and adding the ending marker 아요. If we add the ending marker 요 to the end of a sentence, it becomes formal style. So, let's look at the meaning of come, 오다, and go, 가다. Moving B to A based on A is expressed as 오다. Moving A to C based on A is expressed as 가다. Moving C to B based on C is expressed as 가다. That's good. Let's move on to the next one. Now, we will study the expression of buy in Korean.
뭐 살 거예요?
구두하고 옷을 살 거예요.
What are you going to buy?
뭐 살 거예요?
뭐 살 거예요? 뭐, what? 뭐 is an abbreviation of 무엇을. 무엇을 is a combination of 무엇, what, and 을, object marker. 살, be going to buy or will buy. 거, it's a thing, it's called a bound noun. It is common to use the thing when writing and call when speaking. 거 is a bound noun that depends on the preceding word. I will buy shoes and clothes.
구두하고 옷을 살 거예요.
구두하고 옷을 살 거예요. 구두, shoes. 하고, with, 와, and. 옷, clothes. 을, object marker. 살, will buy. 거, thing. 예요, predicate marker. That's good. So, let's look at the important ones. The verb 사다 can be changed to 살 by removing the ending marker 다 and adding the final consonant 리을. 살 means to buy things in the future. 가다, go. 갈, be going to go. 오다, come, 올, be going to come. 자다, sleep, 잘, be going to sleep. So, you can ask. 살 거예요? 갈 거예요? 올 거예요? 잘 거예요? So, what is this? 하고 and 와, 과. It means with and. They are used to connect noun and noun. Its form include noun plus 하고 and noun plus 와 or 과. Its form differs with and without a final consonant. So, what is this sentence originally? 구두를 살 거예요. I will buy shoes. 옷을 살 거예요. I will buy clothes. The two sentences are connected. Then, what should I say when I talk about what happened yesterday? Two people met at school the next day.
어제 쇼핑몰에 갔다 왔어요.
네, 옷을 샀는데 너무 작아요.
Did you go to the shopping mall yesterday?
어제 쇼핑몰에 갔다 왔어요.
어제 쇼핑몰에 갔다 왔어요? 어제, yesterday, shopping mall, 에, supporting marker, 갔다, went, 왔다, what, came, 어요, predicate marker. Yes, I bought clothes, but they are too small.
네, 옷을 샀는데 너무 작아요.
네, 옷을 샀는데 너무 작아요. 네, yes. 옷, clothes. 을, object marker. 샀다, 샀, bought. 는데, but. 너무, too or so. 작다, 작, small. 아요, predicate marker. It is important that you first understand the overall meaning. Let's look at the details. 가다, base verb. If we add at to 가, it becomes 갔. Then it becomes the past tense 갔다. And if you want to make it formal style, you can make 갔어요 by adding 어요 to 갔. 왔어요 can also be made by the same principle. The following is a question from my channel subscriber 산유에. So, how can we use this? 는데, 은데, 니은데, 인데. We can make two sentences into one sentence. These are used to connect two sentences. The previous sentence described the background and situation. The latter sentence describes specific facts, suggestions, orders, and so on. Let's talk about the form of the previous sentence. 는데 must be added to the verb stem. 은데 and 니은데 must be added to the adjective stem. 인데 must be added to the noun. In the latter sentence, the usual sentence structure can be entered. Sometimes, this subject and object may be omitted. Then, do you know what stem is here? These are verb stem, adjective stem. Try again with the following example. It is when 는데 is attached to the verb stem. 옷을 샀다. I bought clothes. 너무 작아요. Too small. If we add 는데 to the stem of the verb 샀다, you get 샀는데. Finally, 옷을 샀는데 너무 작아요. I bought the clothes, but it is too small. in this sentence, 는데 has the meaning of but. So, what does 는데 mean in this sentence? 옷을 샀다. I bought clothes. 너무 좋아요. So good. 옷을 샀는데 너무 좋아요. I bought clothes and it's so good. In this sentence, 는데 has the meaning of so. Depending on the meaning of the following sentence, the meaning of 는데 can be different. Next, it is when 은데 is attached to the adjective stem. 이것이 좋다. I like this. 너무 비싸요. Too expensive. If you add 은데 to the stem of the adjective 좋다, you get 좋은데. Finally, 이것이 좋은데 너무 비싸요. I like this, but it's too expensive. In this sentence, 은데 has the meaning of but. So, what does 은데 mean in this sentence? 이것이 좋다. I like this one. 저것도 좋아요. I like that one too. 이것이 좋은데 저것도 좋아요. I like this one and I like that one too. In this sentence, 은데 has the meaning of and. Depending on the meaning of the following sentence, the meaning of 은데 can be different. Okay, how do you use 니은데 and 인데? The method of applying the following: adjective stem plus 니은데 and noun plus 인데 are smaller. Practice writing and speaking example sentences. Most important, they go well with the meaning of and so that. I hope you remember that specific facts are mentioned in the latter sentence, and that the background of specific facts is mentioned in the previous sentence. That's good. You did a great job today. Today's class was very difficult. It's very difficult at first, but if you keep repeating it, you'll be able to say it naturally. Please don't worry too much. Don't give up and study together until the end. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.